I'm Katie, and this is Living in the Now. On my channel, I talk about everyday manifesting, stories and examples to help you to manifest everything you desire. This video is about manifesting made easy. Have you ever tried the 3 times 33 method or 5 times 55? Or scripted for hours and hours? Doing it too many times implies doubt, and don't have it, won't have it. Your desire said 1 time a day, clear and direct, and then no afterthoughts about it after, is more effective. So say your desire, I want, thing you want, and then after don't have any afterthoughts about it. I have to write it a ton of times comes from an internal state of I don't have it and I don't think I will have it energy, an internal state of being. You want your thoughts to be will have it, will have it. So convince yourself that you will have it. How? Use the dominant thought that says, I say what I want and it happens. I always get what I want. That implies, says, and assumes that when you say what you want, it'll happen. You will have it. So you've convinced yourself correctly. Any thought you repeat and make dominant ends up becoming true and happening. So repeating, I say what I want and it happens. I always get what I want, becomes dominant. And then you start to see results, so it becomes even more solidified in you as true. So it becomes just saying, I want, thing you want. And knowing because you said you want it, that it'll happen and you'll have it. Then silence after. No contradictory thoughts about it after. That's a clear, pure desire, and that happens fast. Do you need more help convincing yourself and clearing away those afterthoughts? Then try a wanted story. If you don't know what a wanted story is, I'll link it in the description below. So it becomes, I say what I want. I choose it. I focus on having it as I say it. And leave it be. Doing this, you get internally led, and it feels normal and natural as it's happening. But at some point when you get it, it's like, oh yeah, oh wait, I did say I wanted that. This is how I manifest in the easiest way possible. If you'd like to learn more, see my video called 3 Steps to Manifest Anything. I noticed for most things all I did was say I want, thing I want, and focused on it as I said it. And then shortly after I was led to it or it to me, and it ended up happening. Some of the desires that I thought about all day and really wanted, that I could always notice and realize that there was a thought there that always said I won't have it and it won't happen. So that's the thought that had to be clear. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe so I can reach more people. That's my video for today. Thanks for watching.